Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you hide your followers on Instagram. So firstly, open your Instagram app and you need to make sure that you have a personal account firstly. So to do that, open your Instagram account, go to your profile, click on the three bars here on your top right, and then click on settings. Then under settings, go to account. So under accounts, click on switch account type and click on switch to personal account if your account is not on personal yet. Suppose if you don't see this option, that means your account is on personal and it's all good. So if not, then click on switch to personal account. So do that. So once you have already switched to personal account, next thing you can do is click on the three bars again here and then go to settings again, and under settings you will see an option called privacy. Click on privacy, and here your first option you will have an option to private account option. So turn that on. So turn that on and make it as a private account. So if you do so, then your followers and following links will be not visible to other accounts who are not following or not connected to you. So this is the only option at the moment Instagram provides to hide your followers or following list. So hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.